user story mapping is such a cool technique that allows teams to really understand the problem from a user point of view. It builds that empathy, but more than that, it helps teams with prioritization, so they can understand the stuff that's going to add value, and it helps teams actually build a product backlog. So it's a really good thing to be doing in a discovery to do this user story mapping. So if I was working in a Scrum team, for instance, I would expect to see my product backlog to be made up of a number of user stories, articulating problems from the user's point of view. As those stories are getting towards the top of that product backlog, as they are becoming more valuable to the team, I would expect the team to be refining those user stories as they go, to understand and to put in place, start thinking about what those solutions might be before it comes into the sprint. So the intent of that idea is we will start converting those user stories into increments of the product. So into actually testable features and functions of that product or service that we're building. The other thing about the user story is that the team will agree how they know that story has been delivered, how it's been achieved, how the feature or function that they're delivering satisfies that user story. So the team should come up with some sort of confirmation as part of their conversation around that story. And usually that confirmation sets itself out as a series of acceptance criteria. That is included somewhere in the story as an addendum, or just written on the back of a card, or a Jira card, or whatever it is. But that acceptance criteria sets out how that team will know that they've satisfied that need.